Hi, thanks for clicking this video. A sub to this channel will be highly appreciated. Xiaomi has also joined the trend of mini gaming tablet with the announcement of Redmi K Pad, an 8.8-inch gaming tablet with powerful specifications. In today's video, I will be comparing this new mini tablet with other two powerful mini tabs in this category. The tablets are Lenovo Legion Y700 Gen 4, Redmagic Tablet 3 Pro, and Redmi K Pad, to see how they are different in terms of specs and features. Don't forget to like or leave a comment if you have any questions or opinion after watching the video.